Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to change time zone in Google Analytics. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Google Analytics and go to the admin section. Here you can see property details. You can also find this from here. Now go for it. And now you can see reporting time zone available here. You can change the time zone from here easily and save it from here. You can see I'm changing the time zone of Russia. By following these easy steps, you can easily change your time zone in Google Analytics. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.